Today, we're going on a word quest. We're going to practice the short sound. We're going to review our sight words and do a 5-finger retell using the story Al's Jam. To begin, you're going to watch a video reviewing how to say the short sound. You're also going to be pointing out the sound in the words you hear. Okay, get ready. Turn on those ears.
The short sound. A sounds as in apple. I like to eat an apple. A in ant sounds See the ants go up the hill. Look at this word. Ask. The letter A in ask makes the short sound. How to make the sound. Open your mouth wide. Keep your tongue low and puff out air from your mouth to make the sound, as in apple. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter A and make the sound, as in apple. Click on the letter that makes the short sound. Act. Click on the letter that makes the short sound. Alligator. Click on the letter that makes the short sound. Add. Let us look at some other words with the letter A that make the sound. Click on the letter that makes the short sound. Sand. Click on the letter that makes the short sound. Sat. Click on the letter that makes the short sound. Tap.
Good job. There we go. All right. In order to get ready for our next activity, please pause this video and go get your whiteboard and your marker. We are going to review what you learned last year and practice making the sound. Learning coaches, as this video is explaining how to make a little letter A, please pause the video and encourage your child to practice making the little letter A with the video. You can always go back and listen to the directions again.
show me your little letter. Remember, make that fist with your hands. A little letter means that it fits in between the top line and the bottom line. So let's see how we can turn this little magic C into a lowercase little l, or a. So our magic C, remember, you start at the top and you go all the way to the bottom and stop. Well, now we're going to be going up like a helicopter. So starting at that top and curving all the way around and going up just a little bit. But we want to bump that all the way up to the top to close our A. Kind of looks like a circle, but not exactly. So starting at the top and curving all the way around, up like a helicopter, and go all the way and bump. I want you to grab your pencil, hold it like this, and I want you to trace that with me. Ready? Starting right here at the top, you're curving all the way around, then up like a helicopter and bump it all the way to the top to close that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now we need to do a little tail for our A. We are not going to pick up our pencil. You're going to keep it on the paper the entire time until I get all the way down here. So if you want to watch me first and then you can do it after me, that would be great. So start at the top, curve around, up like a helicopter, bump to the top. Don't pick up your pencil, leave it on the paper, and just go straight down until you hit that bottom line. You're going to go back down, bump. So here's our uppercase A, but I want you to take your pencil and trace this lowercase a with me. So starting on that dot right there, we're going to curve around our magic C, but we're going to go up, straight up, and then all the way back down. So let's do that right here with this dot, starting on the dot. Touch the top line, curve down to the bottom, then kind of go straight up and straight back down.
All right, good job. All right, we are going to practice writing now. So, whoop, there we go. All right, so what we're going to do is, learning coaches, I want you to make sure your child practices with the video. When your child hears the sound, they should repeat the sound that they hear. Watch the way they open their mouth and how they puff out the sound ah. Next, we're going to say the word and they will repeat the word. And finally, I will ask them to write the word that they see a picture of. Encourage your child to write the sounds they hear on their whiteboard. If you need to pause the video, please do. All right, let's begin. Amazing Short A review. Here we go. What sound does this make? It makes a ah sound. What's that a picture of? If you said apple, you are correct. Pause the video and write the word apple on your whiteboard. Write down the sounds you hear. There's the word apple. Did you write down the sounds? Listen. A, p, l. Ap, p, l. I hear 4 sounds. And together it says the word apple. Good job. All right. What's our sound? Ah. Good. What is that a picture of? If you said cat, you are correct. Can you write the word cat on your whiteboard? I hear 3 sounds. Did you get it correct? I hear k, a, t. I hear the word, or I can say the word cat. All right, here we go. Next one. Ah, good. Oh, what is that a picture of? If you said ham, you are correct. I hear 3 sounds in the word ham. What are they? If you got ah, ham, you are correct. Good job. Last one. There's our, what sound is this? Good. Ah, good. What is that a picture of? Good. If you said fan, you are correct. Write the sounds you hear in the word fan. I hear 3 sounds. F, ah, n, f, ah, n, fan. Good job. All right, let's review our sight words. I am going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word that we see over here, and you're going to do the action that pops up over here. We'll do it slow the first time and fast the next time. Over. What word is this? Good. Over. And your action is, I should hear you stomping. So stomp, stomp those feet. All right, hold on for the next one. Better. Good, I heard you say better. And wave, hello. All right, let's see what the third one is. Has. Let me hear you say the word has. And at the same time, I want you to clap. Good. Let's see what the last word is. After. And you're going to jump. Ready? I say the word, you say the word, and do the action. Over. Better. Has. After. Learning coaches, if you need to pause right here and continue reviewing those 4 words with the actions, please do. All right, let's review some sight words again. This time, I'm going to say the word and you're going to point to it. Are you ready? First word, over. What is that word? Over. Good job. Next word, has. Which word? What is this? Has. Good. Next word, after. What is this word? After. Good. Better. What is this word? Better. Good job. Let's read them quickly. Ready? After, over, has, better. Good job. All right, in the story, Al's Jam, you learned about summarizing a whole story. Okay? Now, sometimes when people summarize, they tell lots and lots and lots and lots of detail. But if you use the 5-finger retell, you know that you got all the points. Okay? So, learning coaches, I want you to go ahead and pause this video and review what the problem, setting, events, and solution are.